Here's a quick little video on veneering. This is Rift-Cut white oak veneered onto a plywood panel. There's a couple different ways that you could apply veneer to different substrates. There's hot press, that's in the manufacturer of the panels. So they basically put the glue on, put the panel on, send it into a giant oven, and it bakes the glue to where it marries the veneer to the plywood sheet. The other way is cold press, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. Basically, cold press is taking the veneer and the substrate, gluing them together, and then putting them in a vacuum press bag for a couple hours to allow the glue to dry. I got my vacuum press bag set up over here on this table. Let me show you. This is my bag, and that blue thing back there on the table is the actual vacuum press. I have a MDF board already sliced in here, so basically it has a grid work of cork lines all connected to this hose. They all start from here and branch out that way. When the hose is connected to here, it sucks out all that air. But first, we have to glue up the panel. I'm gluing up a sheet of maple veneer onto this 1/4 inch MDF panel. We're gonna glue this panel up with Titebond 3, and we're gonna glue both sides. We got a nice layer of glue on both pieces. Now we're going to marry them together. Panel, flipping it over. We need to seal this bag up. This plastic bag wraps around this tube, and then this black piece crimps it on there and seals it up. We have to plug this. Can you see it in there? We have this panel covering half of the hole. That way it could bleed all the air from the bag nicely. We just have to plug it in now. And I turned it on to auto cycle. It's gonna suck out all this air. When it gets to the right pressure, it'll turn itself off and it'll auto cycle it on to maintain that pressure. And now we wait a couple hours for the glue to dry. After 3 hours of sitting in this bag, the glue should be dried. Let's take it out. Beautiful, nice, flat, veneered panel.